Guys, I'm Ron Williams with MarineMax of Columbia. Thanks for taking a look at the video today. I'm going to show you our 2018 Sea Ray 270 SeaDek. It's a great boat that Sea Ray has made that I've spent a lot of time on. This boat is a leftover that we have some special pricing on. So in the bow of Sea Ray's 270 SeaDek, Sea Ray puts in a nice boarding ladder for the beach and puts in a nice anchor box as well to give you some storage for your anchor, so you don't have to try to find a place to put it. On the front seatings, there's storage underneath the seat bases, and these seats are all fiberglass. You can actually put a plug in this drain on this seat and make a cooler out of this if you need some extra cooler space. And they built in some nice quick flip down armrest as well. On this side, we have this particular boat has the upgraded head. So you have the pump out head, you have an upgraded countertop and stainless steel sink. There's a light down there. There's actually a port light to let the heat out a little bit as well. These seats that we have put in flip-flop both directions, so you can face forward, or when you're sitting still, or if you want to watch kids tube or ski, you can actually lounge backwards while the driver actually can face forwards. And when you're stopped, the driver can actually pull his seat forward as well, and then you can have one large conversation piece on this particular boat. This 2018 does have the Simrad all glass dash, so all of your instrumentation will be in here, your GPS will be in here. And it's a cool way and a neat feature that Sea Ray and Simrad have teamed up together to make this boat awesome and fun to drive. Under this seat is actually a place you can bring your built-on carryboard cooler. Got a dedicated storage spot for it, so it's not flying around in the boat as you're trying to travel and pack, and it gives you some extra packing and storage in there as well. On the port side of the boat, we have another large seat base. You open this up, huge storage compartment that you can store lots of water toys in, and life jackets and beach bags. In the floor, there is floor storage, and this particular boat does have the water sports tower and does come with the black bimini that will give you some shade protection here in the South Carolina heat. The engine compartment on this boat is a little different. When you open the front side up, you barely see the motor. You actually go out on the transom and you can see the motor, access the motor from the back side. But there's enough room, as you can see, to get in here and actually do what you need to do without having to even deal with the majority of the motor. Battery switch is real easy and convenient right here on the wall, and this boat does have dual batteries. As you come to the back of the boat, it does have sea foam on the deck, a little easier on the feet, a little better grip, and it makes it easier to sit down and put skis and wakeboards and things on before you get in the water. And this boat does have the manual flip down platform, so you can flip this in the water and sit on it. It makes it a little easier for some of the kids to get in and out of the boat. The back lounge area for the boat is foldable so that you can bend your knees and relax a little bit more like a chase lounge, or you can lay it flat if you want to lay across. And like I said before, there's access on the back of the boat. This particular compartment is actually access for if you want to put more skis in without having to go all the way through the boat. Now, if you want to pull a tube, Sea Ray has still put the tube toe and ski toe on the back of the boat as a standard option. So you can give us a call at 803-732-1104 to ask about pricing or any more features about the boat that I may not cover today.